Alright, how to do Instagram comedy in the form of Instagram comedy. First thing you need, film it on phone. It doesn't matter if the quality is shit, the comedy is shit too. Second thing you need, put the bars. Put the bars there. Perfect. Okay, I have a minute to do this. Title, emojis, on the bottom. Perfect, it's relatable now. Show off how much money you have. Add more sound effects. Bruh, 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 bruh. Alright, perfect. I need black people. Oh god, I don't have any black friends. Woo, look at you, Mr. Black Man with the stereotypes. Bruh. Perfect, Instagram loves that. Oh god, I need a big booty bitch. I need a big booty bitch. Where are the big booty bitches? Ooh, look at me as a big booty bitch. So thick, this comedy is for 12-year-olds. Disrespect the women. Oh, I'm a yoga teacher. Woo, yoga. Bruh. I'm touching your booty. What if that was funny? That can't be funny. It's for Instagram. It can't be funny. Throw in some copyrighted music. Roll the credits. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love